Hello everybody, Slimer the King here. Today, I'm going to be showing you my slime. I made this today, and I made it by color because Slimer the King. Get it? Get it? Good. Ooh, that's good. Anyways, it's my famous slime. I was going to try to add some golden bits to it, but what goes is good. Now, I would show the recipe to make this, but I have no more of it. But this is all made without borax. 100% legit. No, scams or anything. But it is real. And if you want to know how to make it, I will make a video on how to make it. If this video gets, say, 100 likes or 1 sub. That's all I'm asking. So, yeah. No, make that 2 subs. Make that 2 subs. 100 likes or 2 subs. Or 50 likes. 25 likes. 15 likes. 15 likes. That's all I gotta get to make another video on how to make this. Okay? It's really nice, honestly. Oh, that's some on me. So, the color was with tie-dye juice, so it got on my finger a little. So I'm gonna have to wait a week out. Oh, wait. Dang it, it got my thumb too. So I'm gonna have to wait a week until I can get that all out. And then, yeah, I'll be good. So, yeah. I hope you like this video.